Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Zoom echo during call problem. If you're hearing your own voice repeated during a Zoom call, or other participants are noticing an echo, this usually points to an audio setting that needs a quick adjustment. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on one simple fix inside the Zoom app that can help reduce or eliminate that echo during calls. Begin by opening the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the main home screen. Starting here is important because the setting we need is found inside Zoom's built-in preferences, not inside the middle of an active call. Once Zoom is open, look for the three-dot menu. This is the More Options area, and it gives you access to additional controls that aren't always visible on the main screen. Click on the three dots to continue. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will take you to the area where Zoom stores your app preferences, including audio-related options. If you've never adjusted these settings before, don't worry. We're only changing one option, and it's a common troubleshooting step for sound issues like echo. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Advanced section, then click on it. Advanced settings include more detailed audio controls, which can be helpful when Zoom's default behavior isn't giving you the best call experience. Now find the echo cancellation dropdown. This setting tells Zoom how aggressively it should work to reduce repeated sound picked up by your microphone or speakers. If echo is happening during calls, this is one of the first places to check because the wrong setting can sometimes allow audio to bounce back into the conversation. Click the echo cancellation dropdown to view the available options. Then select Auto. Setting this to Auto allows Zoom to automatically adjust echo cancellation based on your environment and audio conditions. In many cases, this is the best choice because it gives Zoom the flexibility to respond to different devices, speaker volumes, and room acoustics without requiring manual fine-tuning. After selecting Auto, your change should take effect right away. The next time you join a call, or even during your current session depending on the app behavior, the echo issue may be reduced or resolved. If you still notice echo after making this change, it can also help to keep your speaker volume moderate and avoid placing your microphone too close to your speakers. But for this tutorial, the key fix is updating Zoom's echo cancellation setting to Auto. That's it. You've successfully adjusted the Zoom setting that can help fix echo during calls.